I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Valorant on Nvidia GeForce Now. First, ensure you have an active GeForce Now subscription and download the application to your preferred device. Next, create or log in to your Nvidia account within the application. It's also crucial to verify your internet connection, aiming for at least 25 megabits per second for a smooth experience. This initial setup is quick and gets you ready for some exciting gaming action. Once GeForce Now is set up, open the application and easily locate Valorant using the search bar. Click on the game and then select the play button. A crucial step here is linking your Riot Games account. A prompt will guide you through authorizing the connection between your GeForce Now and Riot Games accounts, which is essential for launching the game. This ensures your progress is saved and accessible. With your accounts linked, Valorant will now begin to launch directly through the GeForce Now platform. Take a moment to adjust your in-game settings for optimal performance and visual quality, tailoring them to your preferences. For the absolute best experience, consider using a wired internet connection. Remember, GeForce Now provides various server locations, allowing you to choose one closest to you for reduced latency and smoother gameplay. To truly optimize your Valorant gameplay, close any unnecessary background applications on your device. Dive into GeForce Now's in-app settings to customize your streaming quality, finding the perfect balance for your connection. Always ensure your device drivers are updated for the smoothest operation. For an even more enhanced experience, a premium GeForce Now subscription offers benefits like priority access to servers and extended gaming sessions, giving you a competitive edge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.